Breaking news, the future of abortion rights in Michigan is officially in the hands of voters.
In a last-minute ruling, the state Supreme Court approving the measure for the November ballot. Here's Fox 2's Tim Skubic with the details.
Opponents of the pro-choice ballot question told the High Court there were so many errors in the petition language that it should be blocked from going before the voters. But the court rejected that argument, allowing the constitutional amendment to go in front of the voters in November. The decision is significant on two fronts. First, there is the public health aspect of this ruling. If the voters eventually say yes to the amendment, women would continue to have the right to an abortion here in Michigan. Secondly, there are a whole host of political ramifications to this decision, including the pollsters believe it will drive more Democrats to vote, and those Democrats will then vote for other Democrats running for office. It would also force all candidates to take a stance on the emotional issue itself. This pollster contends the abortion question will dominate the political debate.
We're going to see this front and center in a whole lot of races in Michigan. There is no escaping, if you're a candidate, where you stand on Roe v. Wade, where you stand on this constitutional amendment.
Republican candidate for Governor Tudor Dixon blames the governor for trying to run this contest on the abortion issue, when voters are more concerned about inflation and the economy, she argues. However, 26% of the voters in a recent Detroit News survey ranked inflation as their number one issue, but at 34%, others rated abortion as their major concern. Candidate Dixon also opposes abortion in the case of rape and incest. However, 80% of the voters disagree, and 63% of strong Republican voters disagree with her.
Republicans don't seem to have a clear, coherent answer on the rape and incest question. And that really is a motivating factor here for voters, particularly independents.
So the fact that the High Court allows a statewide vote on this issue will keep it on the political front burner for the next 2 months.